Welcome, millionaires and billionaires. As always, I aim to bring you truth, knowledge, and wisdom to assist you in your journey through crypto. So, guys, this is a market update. We're going to look at the charts and see where we are currently and see where we're headed, short term and long term. And previous videos I did say we should see a slight retracement on the 12-hour chart. So we're gonna take a look at that. So before we do that, guys, remember this is a confirmation, because as you can see for VDeFi, no one and we haven't even enabled buying yet. So we started to see a breakout, which for a lot of people it's difficult to understand. How can a coin pump when no one is buying? Previous videos I did say whenever we are in a bull run, everything will pump. It doesn't matter what type of coin it is, it's going to pump, guys. So this is more confirmation that we are in a bull run, and to me this confirms that it's meme coin season and it's altcoin season. This is where even Bitcoin doesn't have to move. It can remain stagnant, and it can consolidate at a certain point, and this is where you're gonna start to see these low cap coins, these coins with a lot of zeros, really start to move like pinballs. So it's gonna be a lot of fluctuations and a lot of volatility. So as you can see, VDeFi seems to be ahead of everything else, since we did see a nice breakout on this is the 12-hour. Wow, that's interesting. This is on the 12-hour. So this is a very good sign, guys, that we are in the bull run. In VDeFi, like I said, it's already up 35%. Look at here. It's already up 35%. So and the thing is, no one's buying, guys. So like I said, if you are holding VDeFi coin, congratulations, because no one else can buy at this moment. Like I said, we're gonna re-enable buying until we at least eliminate a few zeros. And again, I did on the previous recording on the Twitter space, we did mention those who participate in the private sale for the Ghost Ledger, we will be giving them out free VDeFi coins. And we also reduced the entry fee, which it was one ETH before. Now it's only $500 to get into the private sale, because we want our community, our group to to be the flow holders, guys, because the entire world is coming into crypto, guys. We've set our webs and we've established ourselves into the low cap coins, such as Luna Classic, VDeFi, Lunar, and there's many other coins I also recommended as well. And this is the reason why this coin was also created with so many zeros, in expectation for the bull run, because I could see further ahead. So when the bull run comes, I see how these coins move, guys. I experienced the previous bull run, so I understand how these coins with a lot of zeros move. I understand. This is where in one day you'll see these coins just take out 1 0, 2 zeros. This is how crazy it's gonna be, because I missed an opportunity in a coin like that had a lot of zeros in a previous bull run, where the night before I was going to buy a particular coin. Then I accidentally end up buying the wrong coin instead of buying the right one, and then the next day I looked at the chart, it was up over 123,000%. So I missed out on 123,000% gain. Maybe because I didn't do my right due diligence because I was looking at the coin, I was looking at the charts, I was analyzing the charts, but for some reason the last minute, without checking, I ended up buying the wrong coin. something. It was another coin with a similar name, which is the reason why I made that mistake. So, like I said, congratulations, guys. Like I said, this is gonna be a household name coin, guys. So keep holding. Don't sell yet. And for those that wants to sell, selling fee should still be about 0%. So do feel free to get out if you wish. And we'll check out Bitcoin chart, guys. We'll see where the correction happened. Wow, look at gas fee prices. Jeez, almost $200. So that's another confirmation we're in the bull run, guys. Usually when gas fees prices are like that, average was around the past few days, past few weeks, average was around $30, $40. Look how quickly it fluctuated. It went from $160 to $59. So more confirmation that we are in the bull run, guys. Let's wait for this page to load. You know, and now it's at 37. In the bull run, be expected to see gas fee prices get into the thousands, and then now it's going to be more difficult for you to buy any tokens for cheap. So this is why it's key to buy, to get in early, and then just hold. Okay, we are, shows like we are seeing the correction finalizing, so we'll take a look at that once they cooperate. Yeah, let's just refresh this. I believe it's just the internet. It's a little slow. Perhaps it's the computer. Okay, let's head over to TradingView and see if this will load. So yeah, we did made a Twitter space today, guys. If you have the opportunity, give it a listen. We give you guys updates as far as what's happening and our plans for the next few weeks and months. Okay, this is Binance. I guess we could look at any coin as well. It doesn't really make a difference, because every coin moves together. So let's see if we can just get Bitcoin on here, since everyone seems to follow Bitcoin. TradingView is a good platform to use, but I prefer to use a DEX tool, because I'm more into DeFi. So you know, a lot of things on TradingView are mainstream coins. They're not really decentralized coins. So most of the decentralized coins are on a DEX tool, and which is why I mostly use DEX tool, and I do recommend using DEX tool as well, because the future of crypto is going into decentralization. So this is why a lot of the markets, a lot of the crypto exchanges are going down. So they will close their doors very soon, and you will only see mostly decentralized platforms. Okay, we have Bitcoin here, guys. Let's get it on the chart. Okay, this is Bitcoin, guys. In the previous video I mentioned, we were going to see a slight retracement on a 12-hour chart, which we started to see that. First, let's see this here. First, we saw the market attempting to pump this morning. Let's get this off here. So we saw the market started to pump this morning, but then, it hit resistance in price. If we're gonna look at the lower time frame, you see how after the market hit resistance here, Bitcoin hit resistance, then it started pull back. So I still expect retracement to be around these areas, or at least here. So that's gonna be in a 23k 800s, and it's gonna hit that support if it doesn't hold, like I've stated in yesterday's video. Then it's gonna come back down into these areas, which is the low 23,000s, and then after that, then it's gonna start climbing back up toward the 26 and toward 30k areas. And if we look at on the lower time frame, on the 1 hour, we will see right here when Bitcoin attempted to break out. When it attempted to break out here on the 1 hour, it had a nice pump. Then we consolidated for a while. No, we are here. This morning was this price here, where it attempted to break out. Then it hit resistance, which is around here again. This is where it also hit resistance once, twice, and then it attempted to break out again. Then it also hit resistance again. So resistance is at the 25k, so it's going to retest support and then head back with speed and just break clean through the 25k areas. So I expect it to come down a little bit more, especially if we look at the 12-hour. It still has to come down to complete, let's see here, to complete the retracement. Okay, let's look at this on the daily here. Okay, this is the daily. The daily is the same as the 12-hour chart. Apparently TradingView doesn't have the 12-hour chart, so the daily time frame will suffice. So we still are expecting price to, most likely price will come down there. There's also that possibility where those who control the market doesn't allow it to get down there, so it can just continue to climb. There's also that it's more than likely that we're just going to see the retracement happens, at least here in these areas, 23,800 at least, 700s, and then it's gonna continue head on up, guys. So the only thing we can do is wait on the market. It's gonna do what it's gonna do, and we'll follow it as it go, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Do join the Telegram, guys, because we will be starting to do a lot of VCs, frequent VCs, because we are in the bull run. So we're gonna be having conversations, updates as far as the projects, because things will be moving quickly. So I'll see you guys in the Telegram. Peace.